Hi, I'm Bill Fluharty from the Keller Futures Center, and I'm here to give you an update on our project that we're currently working on called the Future of Career Services. So in the past few sessions, we've talked a lot about building context and creating insights. We're now moving into a phase of the process where we take those insights and we create focused solution sets that we'll use in the end to provide packages of ideas or descriptive solutions to our problem statement. It's a process where we go out and discover, we come back, we analyze and synthesize, and we then summarize in a way that it makes that bit of information, the context that we went and studied, useful for the next phase. So this week our process has been no different. We've used the content from previous sessions as fuel for the exercises in these next few sessions, and we've stayed consistent with this divergent and convergent process. And today we used these descriptions from the three different categories, that's the trends, the insights, and the customer segments, to take random input and try to make sense of them. They created these lists of insights that then drove multiple opportunity statements. And these are large, descriptive areas of opportunity that come from the key insights from these lists. As a team, we then posted on a wall every opportunity statement the class or the participants created. Then we grouped them in a way that we could kind of pick out some themes. We ended up creating 7 key themes, and the teams then were to take these opportunity statements and try to craft one very descriptive, almost directional description of where innovation can happen in the career services industry. This one, the team picked a customer segment, which was K through 12. They picked 2 insight categories. Number 6 was experience, and number 11 is collaboration. And then they looked at the key trend influences of well-being and ubiquitous technology. They looked at these data sheets, pulled off their insights, and then crafted these independent statements. The first statement that was written was, an opportunity for the next generation of career services is to develop a national imperative giving K-12 students voice to counteract the oversaturation of negative career messages. There were also a number of other examples that are a little bit different but interpreted from the same list of insights. Another one being create a national communication system that is driven by student voice and is supported by the student's family in setting personal career services. Then we asked the team to take these opportunity paths that were described that sounded similar, and we challenged them to come up with one overall description of this category. And the team came up with this statement. An opportunity for the next generation of career services is to create a mechanism for the students to provide their voice at a national level to support and educate each other, their families, and employers. From this, then, we're going to be able to ask ourselves, how might we create solutions that address this opportunity? So this is an example of how our process was divergent, and now it's converging into very succinct directional statements. And what we're going to do is try to pick out key elements of this statement and motivate ourselves to think of dozens of ideas on how we might accomplish this. So as we move into the solution finding phases, stay with us. Next time you check in with us, you'll see a better description of our 7 opportunity paths, along with the ideation that's starting to happen that are actually motivated by those statements.